Okay, here we are. This is Marissa Delgado, who's a beautiful ballerina who I featured in the newspaper this week. And this is her little girl, Giselle. And Giselle is also a ballerina, as is Giselle's dad, Bernie Delgado. It's a family of ballet dancers, professional. And Giselle told me last week when I first met her and was interviewing her mother that she loves cockatoos. So I invited her and her family to join us for our bird lunch today. And it's July 2nd. And look at everybody who showed up who are bird lovers and all the birds. This is the biggest group we've ever had. Say hello. And what bird do you have, Robin? I mean, Lee?
Lee, I've got Avery.
Oh, that's Avery, and Avery is a really sweet
Avery is sweet. Look who I've got, Luce. Look who I've got, Luce.
I've got Lucy on my shoulder. She's helping me. She's my editor.
Yeah.
As I record.
What? You're going to tell me what you can.
Look at all the birdies. Look at this pretty bird. And what bird do you have, Michael?
We have Benji.
And who's on your arm?
Oh, this is Duffy. This is Robbins.
Oh yes, I've met him before.
Congo Gray.
And whose cockatoo is this?
I'm Asia's Will.
Oh, hi.
It's really a boy, though.
You want to say hello? Hello.
Hi, Asia.
Oh, look. Hi. Hello. Oh, you like being on the.
Good. Very good.
Hi, look at all these birdies. We're at the Champagne Bakery in Encinitas. We do this once a month where we get together with our birds. This is the biggest group we've ever had.
Yeah, it's not Salmonville.
Yeah. But she's trying to get to him for some reason.
Yeah. What do you want to introduction?
And look at this.
Robin will often just...
And this is Larry Abgarian, who does rescue work with German Shepherd Rescue, and he's a bird lover for the day.
We're having an event today. I'm going over there in a little while.
Oh, okay. What kind of an event?
Adoption.
Oh, good. Where is it going to be?
At PetSmart from 11 to 3.
In Encinitas?
Encinitas.
Oh, okay, super. Okay, look at this.
And then the wife is Suzanne.
I'm putting this on my pet blog.
This is Lillian. She's
Hi.
a journalist.
And I
She
have
basically is one of the oldest members.
Yeah.
Did you start it or was it somebody else?
No, I'm probably the only hangover from the original group, but I was one of the last ones to join that.
Oh, okay. So it's just kind of extended.
And a lot of those people have moved out of the area.
Hi, Freckles.
Let's see. And who? This is another Lucy. This is Lucy, the Malaccan cockatoo, and then of course, trying to get my Lucy. My Lucy is on my shoulder right now, and she doesn't want me to pick her up. Look at this. That's Lucy the Malaccan. This is Lucy the umbrella, who would rather be behind the camera right now than in front of it. Oh no, she just did her business. That was her commentary on being filmed. Okay. That's Lucy saying hi to everybody. Look at these two.
Where's Gretchen? She's on her way. She got stuck in the computer for a job.
We're just having such a great time here.
Yeah, it's right over here on a plate. It's on a plate.
Okay.
Feel about it. Even the boss is the best.
Hi there, look at this one. So if anybody seeing this has a bird and wants to join us, email me. I'll give you the details.
Dolly, I had no clue.
There we go.